Hello everyone and welcome to Fun Science. I'm Radium Rachel and today I'm going to show you how to make a gravity balancer. What's that? Find out in a minute, but first of all I need to talk to you about gravity. What is gravity? Well, gravity is a force. It's got some strength, okay? Now the moon is quite a massive thing. It's got lots of mass, so it's got quite a lot of gravity. It can grab stuff. But the Earth is even more massive. It has even more mass. So it's got even more gravity and it holds us all down and it grabs the moon as well. But the sun is really massive. It's got loads of mass, loads of gravity, and it hangs onto all the planets. So on our Earth here, gravity is a force that pulls us down towards the surface of the Earth. So let's talk gravity balances then. So I've got here a little lolly stick and I'm going to try and balance this upright on my finger. Which obviously it's not going to be, oops, it's gone on the floor. Hang on. Right, there it is. Straight on the floor. Nope. That's almost impossible to do. You can try and do this. Hang on. If I get it really, really level, let's see if this works. No, hopeless. The reason for that is that gravity is acting on the whole lolly stick all the way. It's pulling this bit, it's pulling this bit, it's pulling the whole thing downwards. So we need to get the gravity to just hang on to the bottom bit. We need to give this some legs. Right, so all you need is a pipe cleaner like this, and we're going to wrap this around our lolly stick like this. Just wrap that around. So we create two legs sticking out. Might move that down a wee bit actually. Try and get it a bit more even. There we go. So you want both legs to be about the same sort of length. Once you've done that, we're going to add some weight. And I've just got some of these little clips here. Okay, so I'm going to pop one on that little leg there. And I've got another one. And I'm going to pop that one on that little leg there. Now, let's see if we can get that to balance on my finger. There we go. Look at that. Now that's at an angle, and that's because if you look carefully, these little legs are moving further forward down the stick. If I stand it upright, can you see how they kind of tilted forwards? So gravity's pulling them nice and straight, and that's why my lolly stick's bending over. So if I push my legs back a little bit, try and get them in line with the lolly stick a little bit more, it should stand upright a bit more. There we go. But you can play with really cool ideas with this, because if you want to look as if you're doing a magic trick and you want the lolly stick to balance sideways, sort of horizontally on your finger, you can move these to hang downwards like that, and then look at that. It's like magic. There you go. And that is because gravity is now pulling on these instead of on the stick. And that is how you make a gravity balancer. I'm Radium Rachel. This is Fun Science. Please like and subscribe. Bye everybody.